Hello, I'm Trevor with Vanultra, and right now I'm inside of a truck, and we have Vanultra mounts in all four corners of this tent. What I'm going to do is just give you a quick demo to show how quickly these mounts can all release and the tent can be lifted and removed. So I'm going to hit all four corners, open up all the mounts, and just give you a quick demo. So here we go. So knob one, turn this guy, pull the pin. Okay, that one's done. Knob here. There's two. Three. And four. So we'll do a time on that one, but definitely under a minute. This tent's ready to go on and off the vehicle. We actually have a hoist in the garage right here. So if we were ready to fully remove it, all we have to do is run some straps under here, use that electric drill, pick that tent right off. So that's how easy it is. I'm going to put them back together, and then this truck's going to be ready for the road. That one's done. Install pin. Tighten the knob. Okay, that one's done. So we got 3 out of 4. There we go. We are ready for the trail again.